Right, hello and welcome to my channel. Another sort of gadget sort of video here. Gadget for your camera, not for your camera, but for your camera you've got in your pocket, for your mobile phone. Mobile phone cameras nowadays are absolutely amazing. You know, like 20 years ago, you'd pull your mobile phone out and you'd be able to get pictures as good as you could, or as good as you can. I mean, not as good as you could. Imagine it. 15, 20 years ago, you pull out your phone and you could take pictures as good as you can today. Mobile phone cameras are absolutely amazing and they're moving on all the time. You can buy accessories and stuff for them. Do they enhance them? Do they make them better? I personally think they do. And I've been sent this by this company. I will put all links below to this company. They are an Amazon seller. They sent me this out to test. It's a camera lens kit. We're going to have sample pictures in a bit, but it's a camera lens kit for smartphones. It fits all your phones. I even tried it on it's down here. I even tried it on this. It's an iPad. It's an iPad mini. It worked on the iPad mini. I'm dropping everything. It worked on the iPad mini, so it's going to work on your tablets. If your camera's sort of in the top sort of third of the phone, it's going to work on your Samsungs. It's going to work on all your phones, your iPhones and all that sort of thing. You just got to make sure the camera's obviously in a good position. What you get in this 12 times zoom, a wide angle, a 20 times macro lens, a 235 degree fisheye lens, a starburst lens, and a CPL filter lens. So let's go back in reverse order, but I will put the images up and the comparisons I've done. Right, so the starburst lens, what that does, if you looked at the lens, it's got kind of all these like crisscrosses in it, and what that does, if light hits it, it kind of splits it and shines it, so you get like streaks and stuff on the image. You've got the CPL filter, and the CPL filter is for direct sunlight, so if you're taking pictures of stuff that's bright, it filters it out. It's kind of like a little filtered lens, and these move around as well, so same with the starburst, you can move around and alter your little thing. Your fisheye lens is your standard fisheye lens. I never use fisheye lens for anything, but it's here if you want it. If you want one of them fisheye lenses, you've got your macro lens. I really like macro lenses. You will see in the image as well. You can get proper. This is with your mobile phone. Remember, you ain't got an attachment like a camera where you've got all these different attachments. This is just on your mobile phone. Tiny little lens. You can get some proper close-up zoomed images. You've got to remember with the zoom and the close-up, you need to keep it as still as possible, because any little shake of your phone, you're going to blur the images. You've got to keep your phone still with the zooms and with the close-ups. What else we get? That's a good macro lens as well, you'll see by the images. We've got the wide angle, so you get, I don't know, with your phone you get about this view. With the wide angle, it will give you about that. It gives you a little bit extra. On some of these, the edges will be a bit blurred out. You will see in the images, the edges are just a little bit blurred out. I don't think there's no really way around that. You might be able to connect it to your phone just a little bit better, because you've got to connect this bit up to your phone. And we've got the zoom. The zoom's really good. When I pulled this zoom out, and I'll show you now, when I pulled this out, I thought, what is this cheap, nasty product? Because this is all plastic. And when this come out of the box, I was like, what is this? It's cheap, it's nasty. I think it has to be light, because when it's on your phone, if this was all made and this was heavy, it's gonna weigh your phone down, and it's gonna put pressure on the little hinge there. What this does, it zooms in and it works. The edges again do become a bit blurry. You might be able to line it up better on your phone than I did, because what you get in this, you get this little clip, and you would screw that to that, and that clips onto your phone. But it's just lining it up, so your camera lens is going to be there, this side where my finger is. That would be your camera lens. You just got to line that up, but the edges are still a little bit blurry, and that's your zoom there. That's your zoom lens. This kit ain't too bad. It's really well priced on Amazon. This was about, I believe, £17. £17, and you're getting all this. You get a little tripod. It's a cheap tripod, but it does the job. You get one of these foam mounts. That's quite a cheap one as well, but it does the job. You get a cleaning cloth, some instruction manuals. Here it all is here. Then you've got your little lenses with little covers on, so it keeps them nice and clean. And it's all presented in a nice little box, even though everything's fell out on mine because I picked up the box the wrong way up, I believe. Let's just put that like that. Let's put that like that. Did I drop something? No. And that's how it's presented you, in a nice little box. It's quite good. I'm quite impressed with this. Thanks for the company for sending me it. If you like this sort of channel and these sort of gadget sort of reviews, remember to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.